Hi there, Trevor here from trevormcafee.com, and I want to welcome you to my Embassy review. Now, what is Embassy? Embassy is a web-based software that lets you create quick membership sites using the power of YouTube to create content for you. Now, these sites quickly allow you to add affiliate links and banners to generate affiliate commissions inside of these membership sites. So what I'm going to do is, through this video, I'm going to take you on a tour inside of Embassy, show you exactly what it does and how you can generate affiliate income with it, show you the pluses and minuses of exactly what's in here, and you can make a decision on what is right for you in your business. Now, as always, I put together some custom bonuses for those of you that would like to pick up Embassy. You decide it's right for you. So if you decide this is right for you, click on the link below in the description below my video, and it will bring you through to my bonus page that looks like this. Now, Embassy does go live on the 5th of April at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And at that time, you can click on any of these red buttons here, and they'll take you through to the Embassy sales page, where you can grab your copy or your access to Embassy. Okay. Now, you'll need to pick it up before my countdown timer hits 0, because when it does, all my custom bonuses will be gone, and that's something I do not want you to miss out on. So let's get into this review. The first thing I want to do is I want to show you some of the exclusive bonuses that I have for you that you can't get anywhere else. So let's just scroll down here and have a look at my bonuses. First bonus here I have is my mega bonus. This mega bonus is a website funnel critique. I've been working online for probably almost a decade now. I have launched my own products, created funnels, and I want to review your website, your funnels, your business, whatever you're doing. We can get together and chat about that so I can make sure that you are making the most amount of money from your websites, your funnels, your squeeze pages, and all that kind of good stuff. But I'm only going to do this when you grab Embassy. Okay, so this is something that you can take advantage of me and get me to review all of your stuff, and that way I can help you plug whatever holes there are. I do normally, for consulting, charge for $497 an hour, $400 an hour, $450 an hour, depending on what I'm consulting on. But for you today, if you pick this up, I'm going to let you pick my brain. Bonus number 2 is my traffic stacking strategy. So now that you have these funnels, these membership sites in place, you want to build your list and your list of leads as quickly as possible. So what I've got is a traffic strategy that, as you put all the pieces together and you stack them on top of each other, it becomes an avalanche of traffic. So I'm going to give you access to that too, where you can start implementing all these different traffic strategies pointing into your membership sites. Next, you are going to get access to Affiliate Traffic Lab. So Glenn and the team over at Embassy have decided to give you access to their Affiliate Traffic Lab. So you have that as well. And also, they have a product vault. This product vault is huge. And let me see if I can pull it up for you real quick. This product vault, they've got, 17 or 18 products. They've got a lot of products in here. Let me just pull this over here real quick. So inside this product vault, once you grab access to this, that's not what I am looking for. Sorry, there is another one. I'll pull it up in a second. But anyways, there's a ton of bonuses inside this traffic vault. Okay. Let me see if I can find it here. But they've essentially put together 17 or 18 products inside the product vault. So once you grab this as well, I've got the link directly to all of these. So you can grab them as well. I think it's right here. Let me grab this. So they are giving access to all of these right here. So there is nope, I keep picking the wrong page. But essentially they have, where is the list of those products? So they've got, CPA training, a whole bunch of different training and products in there that they're going to give you access to, along with the Affiliate Income Lab. Okay, so once you grab that, you can get access to all those stuff too. But we also have access to all of the affiliate bonuses, or all of the vendor bonuses. So once we go down there, we're going to take a quick look at these bonuses that they have for you, and then we'll get through this and we will get inside of Embassy. So they have bonuses right down here. I was looking at them a minute ago. Okay, so they've got, where's the bonuses here? Bonuses right here. All right, so they've got a bot, a no-cost bot. So you can swipe the exact method that they use to generate an average of $1,000 a day, every day for the last 12 months. You're going to get $225 instant affiliate check. Activate the same system that they use to get multiple commissions daily. So it works perfectly with any system that you're buying. They've got a $0 to $1,000 a day in 3 days. So this is kind of a case study. And they've got the first sale in the next 33 minutes. This unique loophole let us make our first sale in 33 minutes. So they're going to show you that case study as well. So they got a few bonuses for you. But again, we want to make sure that you're getting everything that you want. Okay. So how do you claim all these bonuses, especially my funnel hack, my funnel review, all that kind of good stuff? I want to make sure that you get to take advantage of me. Okay. So what do? You want to head over to my bonus page. You can click on any of these red buttons here. It's going to take you through to the sales page of Embassy, which is right here. You're going to click on any of these red buttons. It's going to take you through to Warrior Plus. You're going to check out through Warrior Plus, go through the funnel. Once you get out, you're going to get into your Warrior Plus account. What you're going to do when you're over in your Warrior Plus account, you want to come over here to the top right corner, hover over your username, and click on Purchase History. Once you click on Purchase History, you are going to see a list of all the products that you've purchased in the past. You're going to go through and click on Embassy, and then you're going to come over to a receipt page that's going to look a little something like this, okay? So once you're here, you're going to click on the little blue button that says Access Affiliate Bonuses. That's going to take you directly to all of my bonuses. It's going to give you access to all the bonuses that I've put on this page. It's going to give you access to all of those, the Affiliate Income Lab, all those other product vault. It's going to tell you exactly how to get inside. So you're going to have instant access to those, okay? Even if you just pick up the front end offer at $17, you're going to get way more value out of my bonuses than, what the $17 is worth. But you want to make sure that you take advantage of everything that you get. Use this software, generate leads. It's a good little tool, but again, it's not quite as easy as they say. So what we want to do is we want to check over the sales page real quick, okay? So the first thing I want to show to you is I want to make sure that you get, this for the cheapest as possible. So on this page, in every one of their one-time offer, their offer pages, anytime you try and leave the page, there is going to be a discount. Make sure that you take advantages on every single page that you go through, okay? So read the sales pages. If you decide this is for you, click on the link in the description below, come through to my bonus page, come through here. Make sure when the page loads up that you go off of the page and then you wait for this button, okay? So you're going to click on this little button here. Every single offer that they have in here has one of these pop-up boxes. Take advantage of those and get the discounts, okay? So what is Embassy? Embassy says here it's a fully automated, done-for-you affiliate system with built-in free buyer traffic, okay? So it is a pretty powerful app. You're going to have to generate some of the traffic, but they do have a lot of traffic training and ways to send you traffic inside as well. Okay, but it does create some pretty cool little membership sites. It's a great way to collect leads, okay? Depending on what you're using it for, it is a little bit harder than they say. They say it's a 3-step process. There is a little bit more than just, purchase, click, and you're ready to go, okay? But it does have an automatic affiliate system. You put all your stuff in there. It adds it to the pages. You can create different sources. It is a pretty good little system to put good content together to be able to offer something that's kind of unique. Okay, I think it is kind of neat. And they do have a 180-day money-back guarantee, so you can give it a test run. Okay. So they got some income claims and things on here, but what it says here is, click the buy button to get your copy, log in, and then just activate the traffic. So it's a little bit more than that, and I'm going to show you that, but I think it is a little bit of a unique system. So go through this on your own time. I do want to jump over the members area. I want to show you kind of what's inside, how you generate the content, and all that kind of good stuff. So inside the members area here, I'm just going to let it load up here. So they got a little welcome message. They've got a bunch of tutorials here that show you how to integrate with the system, okay? So obviously this is a lead generating system. We want to make sure that you're using an autoresponder, that kind of thing. So in here, it's going to give you an overview of what Embassy is. It talks about all the integrations here that connect through API. So you're talking Aweber, GetResponse, stuff like that. I'll show you the integrations up here in a second. If you purchase the Done For You campaigns, it shows you how to set all those up here, which programs to join and all that kind of stuff. So it does tell you where to get all the information and how to do that. And it does walk you through, obviously, how to create your own campaigns, right? So it's good to start off with, some of the Done For You stuff, the easy stuff. Start with those campaigns, get used to it. But obviously, you're going to want to create your own campaigns as well. Now here's where it gets a little technical, not technical, but this is where, a few more steps are involved. So setting up your YouTube search for campaigns. So essentially what this does is it allows you to generate content based on all the YouTube videos that are out there. So you can create libraries, do a little bit of the work for your people, for your tribe, your subscribers. And, if you're doing something, say on dog training, you've collected a whole bunch of videos that are helpful for dog training, and you put them all in one place. That's why they're coming to you. That's why they're subscribing. So that's kind of the hook that you would use, is that you have all that kind of information, but it does actually make it pretty easy to search for all this stuff and add it to a simple playlist inside of your members area. And I'll show you that in a minute as well. And then it talks about the upgrades, bonus builders, and it also talks about all kinds of different traffic strategies. So they're going to talk about different traffic strategies, using email, using video. There's different traffic sources here that they're training you on, and they've got even more down here, okay? So they do have some training on traffic strategies, and as you will see in the funnel, there's an unlimited, which they give you a whole bunch more traffic strategies, a bunch more funnels, and all that kind of stuff. So there is some traffic training in here. It's not, it doesn't just send traffic for you that simply. You do have to put a little bit of work into this, but I think it does create a nice little site that you can send subscribers to that give them a lot of information. So when we go into your integrations, it's going to integrate with Aweber, SendLane, GetResponse. So they've got some things here that you can integrate with as far as capturing leads. And you want to make sure that you're using that, or at least have a form that you can put in here, and I'll show you that in a second. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set up some affiliate products that you're promoting. So if you're in a health and fitness niche, dating, all that kind of stuff, you want to set up your campaigns in here, or your products that you can just simply add to your sites. So you just click on Create New. You give it a name. You upload the file image. Put it whatever categories that you use. Give a little description. The product button, so this is like, buy now, whatever you want the button to say, and then this is going to be your affiliate URL right here, okay? And just click create, okay? So that's going to create all these different products that you can just add to your website in different ways, okay? And I'm going to kind of show you a little bit about that. Video URLs, this is where you get your content, okay? So there's a few different ways that you can add URLs to this so you can easily put them together. So one, you want to have the videos, so you can enter them your own, like you can just hit add new. And if you have like the links and all that kind of stuff, you can just give it a name, put it in whatever category you're putting to the collection you're putting it together. You put in the YouTube URL right here and give it a description if you choose to. So that's one way to do it. The next way to do it is by using a search in YouTube. So I don't have the API set up here, but basically what you do is you follow these steps, okay? It's real simple to do, and then you would actually just click here. You put your API here, and you just put your search term here. And when you hit search, it's going to bring up a screen that shows all the different videos that you can add to a collection, okay? So you just hit, you would just go down the page and hit select, 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 and then you would hit, there's another button up here that says create your collection, and then it adds everything together, okay? So when we go into the manage your collection, it shows you all these different ones, right? So this is the collection here. So you got dogs, so if you had one, it would add all those automatically to your collection, okay? So if we go into some of these here, dog training, you can see where they come from, right? So it adds these together. So it's just a collection, but it does show where everything goes, okay? So it just basically adds playlists. It's like a YouTube playlist is what it creates, okay? So once you do that, you're going to come into campaigns, and this is where you create your campaign, okay? So again, you would go create new, but what we'll do is just take a quick look at this, and I'm going to show you inside of one in a second. So again, you give it a name, give it a theme. This is a bad example. Let's go back to one that's done here. I think the one that I'm using was this one. So we'll check this out. So you give it a name. You pick a color, like theme, whatever you want, and I'll show you where the theme is. So when you go to, this is actually the page that it generates. So by red, the colors, it's the buttons and stuff like that that's in there, okay? So you can see this is the background that was in there. So they had added this as well. Inside, we're going to use, basically what they're using is, affiliate links, banners, stuff like that, okay? So one of the things they have, you can add the ad. So they've already added the ad here. You would put your ad URL right here, right? So when you hit the registration headline, so right here, your journey starts here. So you fill this out, and then this just pops up a little box where they would register or log into your members area, okay? So we go through here. This is where you pick your video collection. So when we're talking about adding videos, you would add them to a collection. So they have a Make Money Online here. They've added a few videos in there. So you just pick the collection you want. Then you talk about your site, right? So how to make money, you give it a little bit of an about, and I'm going to show you inside in a second. It talks about the creator, okay? So on this page, they've got the creator here, so you can fill that out. And then this is inside the members area. So once they register and all that kind of stuff, they're taken inside the members area. So it looks very similar, but again, they have resources and stuff like that. So when you click My Resources, it brings out this panel on the side with a whole bunch of affiliate products, okay? So when you look in the campaigns here, it says side panel, it says My Resources, and then it's got, they've got 2 assigned to this. So if they had more products in that Make Money Online category, you would see them all on the side panel here, okay? And these are just affiliate links, okay? When you click on those would be your affiliate links, okay? So my number one recommendation, so it's a pop-up video, again, with a affiliate link. You go in here, same thing. Here's the video, okay? Here's the description, and again, here's click join the program, and this would be the affiliate URL you were using, the affiliate link, okay? So everything kind of gets dropped into here. Now this is kind of where the neat part happens. So you're basically creating a playlist, like I said. So these are all the different videos in here. So it just loads the different videos but it's all contained inside of your site, right? So, and then once you do that, you have another affiliate link here that takes them to whatever program you want them to go to. So it's pretty cool. I think it's really neat to be able to create sites like this. I do think it is not quite as easy as what the sales page says. So, keep that in mind, that there is some work involved in here, but it does allow you to search YouTube real quick. You can add it to the playlist real quick and, create the page relatively quickly. It doesn't take a lot of work, but it does take a little bit of setup and a little bit of effort, right? So, but it does create a nice little unique site. They do all the hosting for you, so there's no extra fees or anything like that. and it's kind of created a little monetized little site. So I do think it's kind of neat, but again, not quite as easy as they make it out to be. So just keep that in mind, okay? So let's have a look at the funnel real quick, okay? So let's go up here. So we've got a bunch of different offers here. The front end offer of just what I kind of showed you there, $17 to get inside, plus all my bonuses and all that kind of good stuff. Upgrade number 1 is their unlimited version. So you're going to unlock all the features inside Embassy with no restrictions. So you're going to get more traffic strategies, more campaigns, more templates, all that kind of stuff that you could add in there. They have a done for you upgrade. Again, they'll set up all the campaigns. They'll help you start to drive the traffic, start making sales, all that kind of stuff. They have an unlimited traffic upgrade. So basically what it says is that, you can siphon traffic from their sales pages to a virtual email list. So essentially what you're doing is you're putting a tracking pixel of some sort on their sales pages. Glenn and the team, they do launch quite often. So, by putting your pixels on there, you're creating a retargeting audience. So where you could, send ads to retargeting ads, and you're kind of building a digital audience that way. So it's a little bit different. You don't actually get leads per se, but you do have an audience that you can advertise to. Okay. Upgrade number 4 is automation. So they do have an automation feature, which I'm not able to see, unfortunately, in the level of access that I have. But they gonna automate some of the tasks that they need to generate the campaigns and things like that. So you're gonna get more clicks on traffic sources, more training, and you're gonna get agency rights as well to sell to others. Now, they do have what they call an ATM upgrade, number 5. So it includes a complete system with profit funnels to generate hands-free income. And they do have a license rights to be able to sell this as your own. Now, some of the key benefits they have here is an all-in-one list-building passive income traffic solution. It really does work in any niche. The traffic you do need to work at, but they do teach you how to drive traffic. So it's not a hands-off traffic solution. There is a little bit of training and effort to put in. But like with any business and anything that's online, nothing is really truly push button. There's a little bit behind it, okay? So keep that in mind. Done for you lead pages and done for you monetized websites, which are optimized for conversions, and they are. No expensive designers or copywriters needed. That's true. 100% pure profit system. So they do include hosting, and you don't really have any overhead costs. You don't have to pay for anything extra. Okay. Have fun while making money. We all have fun when we make money. It is automated, so once it is done, it is automated. You just got to continue to drive traffic. Okay, so no, you don't need an email list or experience required. They do have their 4-figure day training included. So they do have some stuff that are the bonuses and all that kind of stuff inside that are going to teach you this. And they do have a 180-day money-back guarantee. So, you're getting 6 months of trial on this that you can check it out. Okay, so I think it's good. It's if it's something that you're trying to do, if you're trying to create leads and all that kind of good stuff, I do think this is a good offer for you. If you have trouble building pages, not quite sure how to put things together, I think it's a quick and easy system to put together. Especially delivering content. You always want to be delivering content to people. I think by putting collections together and offering that and telling them, this is, a collection that you've put together to help them, what's helped you. That way they don't have to be doing all the searching. They're coming to you. You're a resource. So it will work that way, but it is a little bit harder than 3 steps. So just keep that in mind. But I think it is, for $17, I don't know if, a lot of the upgrades are needed, but if you're really just starting to build your list, for $17, I do think it would be of value to you. Just keep an eye on that, and then again, learn the traffic and start building from there, and go through the funnel, see what's for you. If you decide this is for you, click on the link below in the description, come through to my bonus page, click on through, make sure you leave the page there to get all your discounts, and take advantage of me with my first bonus there where I will help you evaluate things and make sure you put certain things in place to make sure you're making the most amount of money as you can. So that about wraps it up for this embassy review. I hope you like the review. I hope you find it helpful. Check out all my bonuses. They're very, they're more valuable than the $17 that you would spend on the front end here. And I do want to help you succeed. So, make sure you take advantage of that. And it kind of brings me to the end of the video here. I'm glad that you were here. Thank you for watching my embassy review, and I will see you in my next review.